Hello, pre-algebra students. Today we're finishing up lesson 7.7. You need your flip chart. One of these formulas you should have already written in your flip chart from yesterday's assignment. And that one was interest equals principal times rate times time. Okay, that's the abbreviations. Interest equals principal times rate. Let's remember, rate is a percent times time, and it has to be in years. So if it's like so many months and it's less than a year, you have to make that a fraction and then reduce it, okay? And then make it a decimal before you do your multiplying, okay? All right, today we're still going to do another example with that, but we're going to add to it. Today you're also going to find the amount due. Say, for instance, your parents got a loan at the bank and they had to pay interest on that loan. So at the end of the time, they were paying back more than what they borrowed. So that's what we're going to figure out today. The amount that they had to pay back, the amount due, is the principal, which is what they borrowed, and then the interest. When you figure the interest, if you add the principal and the interest together, you get the amount due. And these are just abbreviations here, okay? So make sure those get in your flip chart, okay? And have them in front of you. As we're doing this problem, you may want to write those down so that underneath the formula, you can plug in the numbers and make it a little easier so you don't get confused. Okay, I'm at the top of page 298 with example number 3, okay? It says find the interest. So see, we're going to find the interest and the total value of an investment. So that's going to be your amount due. Okay. An investment of $1,500 at 5% simple interest for 9 months. Okay. Now, 9 months. Okay. So see, we're going to find the interest first. And so that's our principal. Our principal, let me see. Let me read that again. $1,500. This is for that top formula, is $500, and it's at 5%, so times, and remember 5%, 5 is a whole number, isn't it? So it's like your decimal place is here, so you have to move it 2 places to the left to make it a decimal, so it's 0.05. So 0.05 times, and then the time has to be in years, but this says it was only 9 months. So it's 9 out of 12 months. Okay, and then we've got to reduce that. That reduces to 3/4. And then we got to take 3/4 and make it a decimal. Remember, 3 divided by 4. Top number goes inside, bottom number goes outside. Okay, put your decimal point and your 0 because 4 wouldn't go into 3. So 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, you get 2. Let's bring down another 0. 4 goes into 25 times 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, so 0.75. So times 0.75. Okay, all right. So there's our problem. We have to multiply 1,500 times 0.05, get the answer to that, and then multiply it times 0.75. Okay, and you've done many problems like that, so you should be able to do that. And if you multiply correctly, you will get, see, the interest they're going to have to pay, see, which is interest, $56.25. Okay, but now we've got to find the A, the amount due, which is the value of the investment. In this case, they invested money. So it's the amount of money they'll get in addition to what they invested. Okay, so we're going to take our principal. Principal was 1,500. And we got to add the interest to it, which is 5,000 or 56, 1,500.00 because there's no cents. And then add, see, we got to add $56.25 to that. And that will give us the amount. So that's how much money they'll end up getting back. $1,556.25. Okay? All right, you may need to watch this again. Okay, keep going through it until you grasp every concept. Like I said, the top formula is what we worked with in yesterday's lesson. Okay, the bottom formula is the new part. But that's so simple because once you do the first part, it's so easy to get the answer to the second part. Okay, all right, make sure to send me your answers to Skill Check 1 and have a great day.